Hey, virtual students. So here is your overview video for quarter 2, week 4. And I didn't post a video last week, mainly because I thought it was types of assignments we've seen before. It's just pages, you open them up, you work on them. And this week is more of the same. This is more of a chance to check in and kind of let you know some things going on. So next week, I will be giving you guys the test for this unit, which is the Jefferson era. And you'll be getting more review materials like before you take the test next week. But first, I give you these Unit 2 Quizlet study terms. So those are like terms that you'll need to know to be successful in the test. And then we have the final topic that comes up on the test, which is covered in these two like smaller warm-up do now activities. And then the bigger assignment for this week is War of 1812 DBQ. Now, this assignment is not in pages. It's just a Google Doc-like worksheet type deal. And it says here, based on your reading level, you guys aren't here to take the SRI test. You probably don't know what that is. So you can click either one. So I just clicked the lower one. And when it takes me to docs, here it is. So you just go through, and every question that's highlighted is the question you answer for the assignment. So there is a total of 8 questions. And like, so this question 1, it's based on documents 1 and document 2. Now you only actually need document 1 in order to answer that question. So, or no, I mean document 2, sorry, it's all based on this chart. Document 1 just gives you background information. So there's a lot of stuff here you don't necessarily need to answer questions, but it's just kind of like teaching you about this war and this activity. Is just meant to go through some of that stuff in a way that's kind of digestible. So this week is somewhat shorter so that you have time to kind of look over those Quizlet terms and begin thinking about the tests we will be taking next week. The tests will cover everything we've covered in this unit, which includes some Marbury v. Madison. The Marbury v. Madison station activity is the first big thing. Then Louisiana Purchase is the second major topic. And then finally, there is the War of 1812. So like those are the 3 things that are kind of on the test. Now, knowing about those things will make you successful in the test. The test is more of like it's like the skills we do in class, which you guys aren't in class to see the skills, but it's like author's perspective. Can you read a map? And so the assignments we do are meant to practice those skills, like the Lewis and Clark perspective is about identifying like what a document's about and what the perspective of the author is. So these are skills that you should practice by doing the assignments. We'll see how you guys do on the test. Last test you guys did pretty well on. So I don't know that being virtual is necessarily hurting your ability to be successful in those, but I do think this test is a little bit harder than the first one. So we will see how it goes, and obviously virtual students don't do well on it, I'll make some adjustments accordingly. But as of right now, the plan is to have to take a test next week. So if you have any questions, guys, please message me on Canvas by clicking inbox and then messaging me. Or email always works well. Or as always, join my Zoom, which I will be having tomorrow at 8:20 a.m.